Yeah, hello everyone, Nerve and Reacts here, and welcome back to another video. Stay hydrated, drink your water. Okay, so yeah, it's been, I don't know how long it's been since I've done one of these, but yeah, I'm finally doing another unboxing video. So yesterday my package came in, and I'll just show it to you guys first before telling you what it is. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so got the first thing out. And now, time for the unraveling. Okay, here it is, everyone. Underneath this, whatever it's called, and oh, sorry, too late. Anyway, so yeah, here it is, and wow. Oh wait, one last. It's very fragile, which is why there's a lot of sorry, a lot of stuff protecting it. So yeah, here it is. Now you might be wondering to yourself, what is this, and why on earth would I spend money on this? Well, the answer is this, my viewers, is a mother of pearl spoon for caviar, because well, why would you want or need a spoon made from the mother of a pearl for caviar? Well, that's because if you use a metal or a silver spoon, it will react violently with the chemicals found in caviar, which will cause the taste and flavor to change. So yeah, which is why you really need a spoon made from sorry, it's just so hot, I'm getting a bit delirious. Which is why you need a mother of pearl spoon. And if you think this is so expensive and you're worried about spending lots and lots of money, don't worry. On the website I bought this from, it's only worth 150 pesos, which is like $2 or $3 US. So yeah, it may be a bit unexciting, and I'm sorry if the electric fan on my right made a lot of noise. It's just so hot, and the heat made me forget. Anyway, that's all I have to show you. So yeah, anyway, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.